Buying a new Galaxy phone or planning to factory reset your current one? Then you have probably seen two backup options, Samsung Backup and Google Backup. But which one should you actually use? Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Galaxy Station for more Samsung comparisons and hidden features. First of all, why do you need a backup? Nobody expects to lose important data. A proper backup protects your photos, contacts, messages, apps, settings, call history. So, even if your phone is lost, damaged, or you need to reset your phone, a backup can save hours of frustration. So, what is Samsung Backup? Samsung Cloud allows Galaxy users to back up many device settings and personal data using their Samsung account. It's designed specifically for Samsung devices and works seamlessly within One UI. What does Samsung Backup can save? It can save device settings, home screen layout, clock settings, call logs, messages, contacts, Samsung apps and preferences. Depending on your region and One UI version, many gallery syncing features may instead be handled through Microsoft OneDrive. Now, on the other hand, what is Google Backup? Google Backup automatically backs up your Android phone using your Google account because it's built right into the Android ecosystem. It works across many different smartphone brands. And Google Backup can save your apps, contacts, SMS, call history, Wi-Fi passwords, device settings, and some app data. Photos and videos can also be backed up separately using Google Photos if you enable it. Now, time for the differences. Samsung Backup focuses on Samsung specific settings and One UI customization. Google Backup focuses on Android-wide compatibility and restoring your phone across different brands. Samsung offers deeper Galaxy integration. Google offers wider Android compatibility. So, when restoring to a new Galaxy phone, Samsung Backup restores Samsung settings more completely. Google Backup restore your Android apps, contacts, settings, and Google services. Using both together gives you the most complete restore experience. Now, which one you should actually use? Here's my recommendation. If you only use Samsung phone, Samsung Backup gives you the best One UI experience. If you regularly switch between Android brands, Google Backup is the better long-term option. But honestly, you don't have to choose. Samsung and Google Backups works together without any conflict. Now, time for my final verdict. Overall, both backup services are excellent. Samsung Backup is better choice for preserving your Galaxy experience. Google Backup is ideal if you want flexibility across different Android devices. For Samsung users, enabling both provides the most complete protection for your data. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Galaxy Station for more Samsung comparisons and hidden features.